So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Let me paint you a picture. You check your bank statement. There it is, a clear charge from Perplexity AI. $20 or maybe $200 for the annual plan. The money is totally gone, but when you open Perplexity, you are still looking at the free trial or the free tier or even the free plan. No unlimited pro searches, no file uploads, no advanced AI models. You are paying for something you are not getting. So this is one of the most stressful issues because money is involved. But here is the thing. This happens and it's always resolvable. So the key is knowing exactly where your payment went. Did you purchase directly through Perplexity, through Apple, through Google Play, or through a third-party promotion like Airtel or Optus? Each has a different fix. So in today's mod tutorial, I'm going to break it down for you. So I'm gonna also tell you exactly what to do based on how you paid. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, make sure you check for post-promotional subscription. If you are on free promotional pro account, that's not working since post-subscription happen when a user has been notified that they are required to add a payment card and have not added one within a week of notification. Try to delete any accidental enterprise organization since you don't really need that. And also make sure to verify your signed in account. Make sure your email address and also the password is fully correct. For Apple and Google Play purchase, you can go all the way. Like for any existing subscribers switching to a promo, you must turn off auto renewal. Then, for any refunds, if you let's say subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you will need to open a dispute with Apple or Google. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.